everything. It's snowing. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. It's just a typical snow day. I'm wet. I'm not really gonna show you much. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. It's gonna be a snowstorm from today into tomorrow, and it started like around 1 o'clock today, and it's gonna snow from today into tomorrow, guys. So it's a snowstorm. I'm just gonna show you clippings of it, but before we get into this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and all of the good stuff. Soaked, literally, because I was out in the snow earlier. Now I'm wet, cold. It's gonna be a white Christmas. I'm walking in the middle of the street, but this is it. It's snowing. It's a white Christmas. But how have you guys been? Let me know in the comment section how have you guys been. I can't even take my mask off because I'm outside, and I can't take my hood off because it's cold. But I'm just vlogging because I don't have nothing to say. But guys, I have a video coming soon. It's gonna be epic, an epic one. I'm not gonna even say what it is because I don't want to give hints, but stay tuned for that. But and just an update, I have been busy and tired and busy, so that's why I haven't been posting anything. But I have stuff to record at home. I have content, so I just can't wait to start recording over the little break that I'm getting in Christmas. So it's a white Christmas. I'm gonna make a snowman. Wait, I'm gonna put the phone somewhere, make a snowman so that you guys can see. Not a snowman, snow angel. Oh, that's a bad idea, right? Because I'm already filled with snow. Look at my shoes. Snow all the way. Look at all the snow. Look how tall, look how high the snow is. And it's gonna snow until tomorrow. It's pretty, but it's gross after a while. guys, so I'm gonna try to make a snowman. As to where I should stand. Okay, so maybe I'm cold. I made it. I made a snow angel and my butt is freezing. So I'm gonna go inside. But I made a snow angel and it looks, I'm gonna put a halo on it. Okay. No, put something on it. No, it's not gonna show, it's too thick. It's too thick to show. Is it? Yeah, it's too thick to show. But I made a snow angel, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go inside. I can't feel my fingers, and my bottom is cold. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'm cold and I'm home, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. This is the morning off. I'm outside in the slippers because I want you guys to see what it looks like the day after the snowstorm. Everyone is shoveling snow in the front yard. Oh, look, all the people shoveling snow to get their cars out. And look at all these cars covered in snow. Good morning, guys. Everyone's shoveling snow. Look at all the way down there, people shoveling snow. Snow shoveling over there. People need to get their cars out. That's how horrible it was. This car is still covered. Guys, it's cold, so I'm gonna go back inside. But this is the morning of a snowstorm. People with businesses, people with apartments, cars and stuff have to be up shoveling all the snow off their cars so they can move. People could pass, go in their cars. People could go in their buildings, go in their businesses. So you have to do what you have to do. So living in states that snow, you have that problem to deal with. Look at that guy right there. Shoveling the snow back into the road. Wow. Oh wow, that's how fed up he is. Yeah, I'm butter. This is it, guys. This is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if it snows in your city or wherever you are. Let me know if you've ever had a snowstorm before and how did you deal with that. But this is what my snowstorm looks like after, and you guys see what it looks like before. So I'm happy I could share that with you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. I said like already, share, subscribe, and all the good stuff. Bye. Your girl is out.